Today on Cone Draggers, we're back to working on the Scion. I got my Terminator ECU from Holley. We're going to hook up most of that. And it should be pretty close to first start after this video. Keep following along. Alright, so I got this basically wired up as far as I can today. I have to get a different mat sensor. And then I have to get my drive-by cable throttle body. I should be able to connect these last four. And the only other thing that I have to do before connecting the rest of the harness is build the exhaust at least part way so I can put my wideband O2 down here somewhere, and then she'll be ready to start after that.
Alright, so we got done pretty earlier than expected, so we're gonna work on this thing now. We're gonna wire it up too, using the same kind of harness, the Holley Terminator, and hopefully it goes pretty easy, smooth. Probably will. We're done for today. This should be everything. We got pretty far on all the wiring on both cars. It wasn't too bad. It's pretty easy actually. It helps that everything's marked out. I recommend this harness. We also put some other accessories on, like water pump, alternator bracket, stuff like that. And that should be it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and keep watching, I guess.